Hey you guys, excuse the headphones. I'm trying to set myself up, but never mind. That's besides the point. Can you see how cloudy my webcam is at the moment? Yes, my house is damp, and unfortunately it's messing with my equipment, and I have moisture inside my webcam. It's really horrible, but I'm gonna show you how this awesome thing called a hairdryer is gonna fix it. Voila, you can see me clearly now. How's that for creativity, eh? Oh my gosh, I'm losing my voice. Okay, this video has not been edited. Well, the color will not and shall not be edited, just so you can see the difference before and after the hairdryer. Okay. Thanks for watching. That's random tip of the day. If you like it, subscribe and check out my other videos. Oh man, the video was recorded too quickly that I didn't even fix my hair or touch up my makeup or anything. But never mind. Okay. Where's the off button? Peace out.